are watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You are watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you aren't new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, we're going to be trying on a $600 wig. And yes, girl, you heard me right. Like, Kayla, what? How much? $600 plus tax. So yes, we are going to be trying on a fancy wig for you guys today. We're going to be reviewing it. And I want you guys' honest opinion by the time you guys are finished watching this video. Don't go off of my opinion, okay? Like, let me really know. Like, do you guys think it's really worth it? Like, and when judging this wig, you gotta like put all of these things that I'm about to mention into like consideration. So you gotta put the color in there, the lace, the hair quality, the length of the hair. What else? I think that's pretty much it. Oh, the hair texture, and I said quality already. But yeah, you gotta put all of that into consideration, and then like give it your fair judgment. Is it really worth the $600? Just based off what you guys are seeing on camera, is it worth it? Alright, I'm done messing with y'all, but I know my voice sounds sexy as hell right now. It's because I'm sick, y'all. I'm so sick. I got a cold. This Canadian weather, let me tell y'all about it. Honestly, I don't even need to tell y'all about it, but it got me all the way messed up. That's all y'all need to know. So, yeah. We're just about to lay my wig down. And to lay my wig down, I am using the Ebony New York Wonder Lace Spray. Absolutely love this. The hole on it is really ridiculous. It gives you like a really strong hole. You can get about a good 4 to 5 day wear out of this hold without your lace lifting or any of that. So I really like it. Y'all know I had to sped up this video because I wasn't trying to be here all day. And then right now I'm just taking my hot comb, making sure that the front of my hair is flat. Then I just section off the hair that I want to use for baby hairs. Also, I know this initial install wasn't the best. I've done way better. But I think it was cute nonetheless. But I was rushing because I was heading to brunch. So I really did something really quick. But nonetheless, I got so many compliments on the hair. The hair color, you guys, is so beautiful. I definitely think this wig is worth the price tag. But we'll get into that a little later on. Now I'm just taking some mousse. I'm using the Nairobi styling mousse, and I'm just gonna lay my baby hairs down. I did do a lot of baby hairs on this wig because honestly I felt like this one needed it. The hairline was like not as, I would say, natural looking as I wanted it to be, where I would be able to like wear it without the baby hairs. This one I felt like it actually needed the baby hairs. So yeah, I did go in and add the baby hairs, laid them down, and then I just went with my melt band and wrapped it up. For the hair itself, your wig does come already curled for you. So I pretty much just like left the curls that was on it, but I did take my flat iron and just like pass it over the hair just to like straighten out certain pieces to get like that blowout look. And then I just removed my melt band and it looked so bomb. At first, I really wasn't feeling it, but like towards the end of my night after I was lit, everybody was complimenting my hair. I was like, yes, I did the damn job. But at first, I really was not liking it. I was not messing with it at all. But yeah, this is what it was looking like. Y'all, so I am back with the same wig. Probably this is what, 4 days later since my initial install. So that day I did not have enough time to properly like do my hair. I was really in a rush. So yeah, today I'm back to just, you know, finesse it for you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna add some crimps to this hair. This is what the hair is looking like 4 days after. The first day I had it in like a side part. Today I did do like a middle part. I do have to go in and fix it though. But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. So far so good. I have not had any issues with the hair at all. No shedding, no tangling. The hair has been holding up really well. The color is really pretty on it. Alright you guys, so this is pretty much what the hair is looking like now since I went ahead and crimped it. The crimper that I used, I got this at Walmart. It was like 30 bucks. It is a smaller crimper. I usually like the ones that has a bigger barrel on it, but it did turn out really well. So far I'm liking the crimps. The hair is really nice. It does also take the heat really well. So far I have not experienced any matting, shedding, or tangling. The hair's been doing really well. Yeah, it looks super good. Like I said, I got so much compliments on this hair. It was like the color is so pretty. And is this wig worth the $600? I'm not being biased. For me, when it comes to like purchasing hair, I always have to make sure that I'm getting the best quality, especially if I'm going to be spending such a huge amount of money. Like $600 is not cheap, you guys. So if I'm going to be spending $600 on a wig, I want to make sure that the quality is A1. Like, this is not a wig that within 2 months I gotta throw it out. No, this is a wig that's gonna last you for years. When I say years, I'm talking a good 3 to 5 years. These wigs can last you. And so again, do I think it's worth it? Hell yes. The wig is full, it's pretty, the color is so beautiful. The hair looks really good curly, and honestly it looks even better straight. All depends on how you want to wear your wig. But again, do I think this is worth it? Yes, it is definitely worth the $600 price tag to me. So yeah, if you can't afford it, then there's always other options for everybody. It's whatever you can afford at the moment. But if you do want like a really good wig that's gonna last you a long time, I definitely recommend it. This is pretty much the wig. I did want to come back again, like I said, and show you guys what it would look like in a different style compared to how I styled it the first day. So far, I'm really loving the wig. Y'all saw me lay down my unit with this the first day. I did not do touch-ups or anything like that, you guys. And my wig is still down. That's why I said y'all need to get hip on this hair, because 4 days my wig have been on. No lifting, absolutely no lifting. The ear tabs are still down. Like, this spray a lot, 10 times, actually 20 times better than the Got2b. Yeah, this is my second wig from them within the last 2 months, you guys, and I'm really in love with their wigs. They have great quality wigs. Not even great, but like their quality is like A1. Also, the lace that they use on their units is their tinted transparent Swiss lace. So what I like about that is the fact that it pretty much matches all skin tone. You don't have to go in and use any powder, any foundation, or nothing like that on your lace itself. It pretty much just like blends right in with your skin tone. It's also their Swiss lace, so it's like a really thin and fine lace. Really good, you guys. Super easy to melt. Their wigs are just amazing all around. So yeah, we'll have the links and everything for you guys listed down below to where you guys can find this exact same wig. If I do have a discount code, that will be listed down below as well. Yeah, that is pretty much, I hate doing outros, you guys. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, all of that, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
It ain't no time, you acting kinda